Welcome to the heart of innovation. Here, the future of humanity is being forged. Every detail begins with advanced AI architecture and holographic precision. Titanium skeletons are assembled with surgical accuracy and industrial power. Complex systems of artificial muscles and sensors bring these machines to life. Finally, the bridge between metal and man is crossed with lifelike features. System activation sequence initiated. The first breath of a new intelligence. Movement tests confirmed. Seamless integration of biological grace and mechanical power. The age of humanoid robots has arrived. This is only the beginning. In the heart of the future, innovation breathes life into steel. Welcome to the dawn of the next evolution. Here, brilliance meets binary. Every joint, every circuit is born from a dream of perfect synergy. Strength is forged in titanium and sparks. The foundation of a new era is laid with absolute precision. Complexity flows through every fiber. An intricate web of energy and intelligence begins to pulse. A transformation takes place. The machine finds its form, blurring the line between the artificial and the alive. The first breath of consciousness. A machine awakens to a world it was built to redefine. Every movement is a testament to precision, a perfect harmony of code and kinetic energy. The future is not just coming, it is already here, ready to stand together in a new world.